Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Going to do a quick video about the accessories that I've had that I've spec'd up with my 2022 KTM 890 Adventure. For those who might be looking or want a closer look, please if you could like and subscribe. I'm going to be loads of content about this bike and places I'm going to take it and all that fun sort of stuff. Thank you. Cold in here today, I've had to make a brew. Nice coffee bags. Anyway, Akrapovic N-Can titanium, lovely logo. I think looks fantastic. Carbon fibre heat shields, really finishes the bike off well, and I paid £832.70 with a discount. And moving on to the top case. KTM Special Edition Touratech top case, 38 litres, match the keys to the key on bike. Nice bit of space, really sharp mechanism. You have to spec it with the Touratech adapter, and then that mounts to KTM's own top case adapter, which you have to pay for all three separately. £374.33 for the case with discount, £80.74 for the Touratech adapter, and £105.25 for the KTM. So yeah, a little bit of a faff and quite expensive, but very good luggage. Next we have one for the sensitive bottoms out there, the Ergo Riders heated seat. Now with that, let's go to my sheet. I paid £162.32 with a discount, and you have to have the HCU kit, which I also paid £44.45. And what that does is enables you to be able to switch the seat on from the switchgear on the dash. Also forgot to add that it is very comfortable. I mean, I've been out yesterday, was the longest ride I've done yet, done about 4 or 5 hours, 175 miles. No comfort issues whatsoever, and also the heating, yeah, really toasty. So the next little snazzy parts I had was the power parts levers, front brake, clutch, and they were £121 each. I just think they look better, you know, than the standard like aluminium looking ones. And also, if you are to drop it or push it up against something, this pushes up with a good bit of force. So they're quite useful as well. And then we have the good old heated grips. Very comfortable grip actually, to be honest, than what I had on my last Ducati. And because of the HCU kit that I paid for, and I paid for the more expensive grips, £225 these ones are. They're controlled from the switch gear, which I will show you in a second. Okay, so there's the standard dash switch gear, which is backlit, really love that. We press set, go down into motorcycle, set again, heated grips, heated seat. 3 stages for both, and yeah, they are really good. And there's the little icon there to say that they've been on. I won't put them on because I don't want to kill the battery. Staying around the handlebars, £53 for the bigger levers. Keep the cold off your hands. It's a must for winter riding. Just over £24 for the orange radiator protection grille as well. Got to have it for the stone chips, and it's more orange. And then there is the tech pack, which I paid £692 for with the discount, and that comes with the rally mode, quick shifter, cruise control, the MSC, which is motor slip regulation for when you're going down hills, off your off-road, stops the back wheel locking up and like skidding out. Yeah. There's your cruise control, push to the middle, push down, set, flick it forward to put it on. Rally mode, press set, ride mode, put it in rally, and there's the 9 levels of slip. Back to the main page, press the down button, and as you can see, there you go, adjust the slip. Down to the wheels, haven't got it yet because it's on back order. I paid £162 with a discount for, but I've spec'd it with the tyre pressure monitoring system. Got some big tours planned for the next couple of years with this bike, and it's just peace of mind really. If you can afford it, you may as well. But just a quick little ad on what I'm looking to do to the bike in the future, and I'll probably vlog it as well, is a new screen, the MRA sports screen and the Vario spoiler, because I'm suffering with a lot of buffeting, especially messing up my audio in the helmet. And I'm going to get the Denali S4 auxiliary lights, what mount on here, because I think they look brilliant. So thanks for watching my little video on what I had. I think the overall cost of this bike was about £14,030. Got a good discount from the dealer in Stoke, Potteries Motorcycles. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Boom.